Honorable Chief Guest of today's event, Justice Retired Qubul Bakir Sahab, the Chief Minister Sindh, my dear friend and the President of Arts Council of Pakistan, Karachi Chapter, Muhammad Ahmad Shah. There are so many distinguished guests, so if you all allow me, all my distinguished guests who have traveled way from Karachi, Islamabad and Lahore in front of me, sitting here with me.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज अहमद शाह साहब ने मेरे साथ ये क्या किया, मुझे इतने काबिल लोगों में ला खड़ा किया और एक मुंतशिर जहन के साथ मैं तो मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो रही है गुफ्तगू करना, और एक छोटा सा अंग्रेज़ी का नोट मैं ले आया हूँ तो वो पढ़े देता हूँ। Of hosting mega events like the Pakistan Literature Festival in various cities of Pakistan is a testament to this. Literary festivals like the one we are inaugurating today are more than just platforms for intellectual exchange. They are a form of cultural activism. They provide a space where ideas flourish, imaginations soar, and diverse voices harmonize. Literary festivals, with their blend for informative sessions and entertaining aspects, offer respite, a chance to rejuvenate our spirits and foster a sense of unity through shared cultural experience. Let us celebrate not only the words written and spoken, but also by Arts Council Pakistan Karachi Chapter in association with Sakhar IB University be a testament to the enduring spirit of our nation. Thank you. May this literary journey be both enlightening and entertaining for all. Thank you.